show is one of the oldest shows that are focused on space, not only in the UAE but in the region. For us, it's a must to be here. It connects a lot of the regional players, a lot of the local players, brings a lot of companies and international entities all in one place.
If we stop using space, life will be very different. So we depend on space technologies, and then part of what we do here in the UAE is to try and better the people's lives on Earth by using space technology.
Industry continues to grow in leaps and bounds. When you're talking about aviation, people are not going to stop moving around the planet. The investment in space that a country makes is going to benefit all of its citizens and all of humanity ultimately.